So for today we're going to Sisulu National Botanical Gardens, and what I'll do is I'll take some videos, some pictures, and do the translations. We're at the Sisulu Botanical Gardens. Okay, this place is a very, very beautiful place. I think this, if not my first, should be my second time being here. So there's a little restaurant for those that want to come and eat. I think this trail leads to a waterfall. That's actually what I want to show you guys, and we'll check some other things as well, so stay tuned. So we're finally here by the waterfall. Let's just go in a bit closer. Hi guys, welcome again to Learn TWI, the fun way to treat your. My name is Miss. Sorry for the background. I'm literally sitting in front of the waterfall and doing this, right? For today, we'll start with Yellow Sun's translations. The one that she asked for during the live session. The next person that needed something translated was Daniel. So the first that Yellow Sun wanted to know was, you rarely visit us. Again, you rarely visit us. Now that in Twi can be said as, mmɛsra. Again, mmɛsra. One last time, slower. Mmɛsra. Again, mmɛsra. Now the second thing that Yellow Sun wanted to know was, she is not motivated. Now that in Twi can be said as, Ɛnhyɛ nkorang. Again, Ɛnhyɛ nkorang. One last time. Ɛnhyɛ nkorang. Slower. Ɛnhyɛ nkorang. Now the third thing that Yellow Sun wanted to know was, he is improving every day. Now that in Twi can literally be said in three ways. And the first one can actually say that is, ɔrekɔ biara. Again, ɔrekɔ biara. One last time. Ɔrekɔ biara. Now literally translated, that is, the person is going forward or is moving forward every day. So again, ɔrekɔ biara. Now the second one can actually say that is, ɔrekɔso biara. Again, ɔrekɔso biara. One last time. Ɔrekɔso biara. Now the third way one can actually say that again is, Nnoɔma sesa mano biara. Again, Nnoɔma sesa mano biara. One last time. Nnoɔma sesa mano biara. Next thing that Yellow Sun wanted to know was, I can't wait to begin. Again, I can't wait to begin. Now that in Twi can be said as, Menntumi ntwɛn sɛ mɛhyɛ aseɛ. Again, Menntumi ntwɛn sɛ mɛhyɛ aseɛ. One last time. Menntumi ntwɛn sɛ mɛhyɛ aseɛ. Now the next thing that Yellow Sun wanted to know was, she is very crafty. Now that in Twi can be said in relatively two ways. Now the first one can actually say that is, wayɛ ne ho anitefoɔ. Again, wayɛ ne ho anitefoɔ. One last time. Wayɛ ne ho anitefoɔ. Now the second way one can actually say that is, wayɛ ne ho sɛ nyansafoɔ. Again, wayɛ ne ho sɛ nyansafoɔ. One last time. Wayɛ ne ho sɛ nyansafoɔ. Slower. Wayɛ ne ho sɛ nyansafoɔ. Now the next thing that Yellow Sun wanted to know was, please be careful. Again, please be careful. Now that in Twi can be said as, Mepawokyew. Again, Mepawokyew. One last time. Mepawokyew. Slower. Mepawokyew. Now the next thing that Yellow Sun wanted to know was, all he knows is food. Again, all he knows is food. Now that in Twi can be said as, Nneɛ ɔnim aduane. Again, Nneɛ ɔnim aduane. Again, Nneɛ ɔnim aduane. When you break it down, that's how it sounds. Now the next thing that Yellow Sun wanted to know was, all he does is eat. Again, all he does is eat. Now that in Twi can be said as Nneɛ ɔnim ne adidie. Again, Nneɛ ɔnim ne adidie. One last time. Nneɛ ɔnim ne adidie. Slower. Nneɛ ɔnim ne adidie. But if you say it fluidly to be Nneɛ ɔnim ne adidie. That's it for Yellow Sun. Yellow Sun, thanks again for your continued support. I truly appreciate all your support. And the next person that needed something translated was Daniel. Daniel, thanks again for your support. And these are the things that Daniel wanted to know. So Daniel wanted to find out how to say that's not correct in Twi, right? So again, that's not correct. Now that in Twi can be said relatively in two ways. The first one can say that's not correct is Ɛnnyɛ nokware. One last time. Ɛnnyɛ nokware. Slower. Ɛnnyɛ nokware. Now the second way one can actually say that is Woati. Again, Woati. One last time. Woati. The second thing that Daniel wanted to know was authority. Now that in Twi can be said as Tumidie. Again, Tumidie. One last time. Tumidie. Slower. Tumidie. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was restore. Again, restore. Now that in Twi can be said as dadam. Again, dadam. One last time. Dadam. Slower. Dadam. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was next time you come, you can pay me. Again, next time you come, you can pay me. Now that in Twi can be said as mrefufro se uba wobetumi atua meka. Again, mrefufro se uba wobetumi atua meka. Slower. Mrefufro se uba wobetumi atua meka. One last time, very slow. Mrefufro se uba wobetumi atua meka. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was press there. Again, press there. Now that in Twi can be said as miaho. Again, miaho. Slower. Miaho. One last time. Miaho. Now the last thing Daniel wanted to know was probably. Now that in Twi can be said as ebia. Again, ebia. One last time. Ebia. So probably in Twi is ebia. Daniel, thanks again for your continued support, guys. That's it for this week's lesson. Just want to thank each and every one of you guys. I really appreciate all your help. Remember, guys, if you want to learn Twi quicker, right, go get the Twi Junior Pro app. It's on Google Store. With that and these lessons, you learn Twi quicker. And guys, remember, if you love the content of the channel, please click on the like button, please click on the subscribe button, and please click on the bell button for future notifications. Guys, with lots of love from me, Kwesi. See you next week. Bye.